Today we're going to make a simple grilled cheese on the Foreman Grill. Okay, so I plugged in the grill and the red light will come on. That's the power light. And it takes about a few minutes, maybe 4 minutes or so, for it to come up to temperature. So you just want to keep an eye on that. And once the green light comes on, then you'll know that it's ready to put the food on. Okay, here it is. So I have my bread that's buttered for the grilled cheese, and I'm just gonna make it up here the way that we like it. Just one piece of sharp cheddar cheese. We'll put some tomato on there. I have a couple slices of tomato, and then we'll put some spices. I just put some salt and Italian seasoning. Okay, and then we're just gonna put the top on just like you would make a regular grilled cheese and open up the grill. Just be careful, it's gonna be hot. Open it all the way. And we have the board underneath here to keep this level so it doesn't slide. And then just close it, and you don't want to push down, just put it down gently and it'll be at what level it needs to be. And I set the timer on the stove for 3 minutes. The timer went off on the stove. It's been 3 minutes. And so I'm going to open up the grill carefully. Like I said, it's hot. But look at that nice golden. It came out perfect. And I just use a spatula just to take it off of the grill onto the plate. And close it. And then you just want to unplug it and let it cool off for about an hour before you try to clean it. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you enjoy your grilled cheese. Bye.